out here though. Flip this camera over. Looks serene, man. I have missed a couple. They snatching the back of this bait. This little yeah. Y'all tell me what y'all normally fish in windy conditions. You know, I myself, I'm probably finna switch over to me a crankbait. With something a little bit more heavy, so I can get it on out there and bring it on back. We gotta get some more. We gotta get some more on the board, man. One just ain't enough. Can't bring my cool line from just one. You know, I need me a big boy. Let's go, let's grow.